What's up guys, how's it going? We are celebrating Pride today here in Austin, Texas. Lots of spirited people here showing their pride. We have a full day planned today. We are here at the festival today, and then we are gonna be heading to a friend's pool, and then tonight we'll be heading and be in the Pride Parade, or I'll be, I don't think you'll. We actually started our Pride festivities, or not me, I started my Pride festivities last night at my friend's Hunter's place, so I'm gonna roll the clips of that real quick. I'm here with my friend Hunter Hudson.
What's up guys?
Yeah, Hunter's a good friend of mine. He's one of the first gay friends I met in Austin, Texas, and he's throwing a big party tonight. It is like a kind of like Pride kickoff tonight. What would you call it?
Pride kickoff.
If you can't tell by now, gays love Lady Gaga. Look at that shirt. Gay fucking Pride, baby. Oh, what's that? I love the back. There you go. Full supporter.
Always.
Check this out, even the police cars are all decked out for Pride. It's freaking hot out here today, high of 103 here.
We are all dying of sweat.
Yeah, it is way too hot, but hey, people still come out for Pride. Alright, I'm joined here today with my loving, supportive parents. Woo! They're actually here working a booth. How are y'all liking it?
Oh, loving it. Good time. A little warm, better than that. No complaints.
All good?
This is our first rodeo with the festival, and we have met the most amazing people, and it's great. We love it.
Thanks Mom and Dad for being so great and supportive.
Fucking awesome. We'll see everybody at the parade tonight.
One of the best parts about Pride is just the cool clothes, all the queens you see. And yeah, I love the outfits that apparel people are wearing, but this is little Tito's stand right here. We're about to go take a picture in the bathtub, in the Tito's tub.
Best Austin vodka.
Not sponsored.
3, 2, 1, bam. Perfect, you win. 2, 1.
That's my aunt, by the way. That's Aunt Rebecca. Those are her granddaughter. Her granddaughter. Those go on her back, I think.
3. We got 2. We got 1.
Bud Light out here supporting Pride with their rainbow bottles. Got all the booths here at Pride supporting. My mom's got a little free mom hug shirt on. What are you giving out hugs at the parade?
Yes, my favorite new shirt. I'm giving away free mom hugs at the parade. I'm actually in the parade, and
nice.
It's an honor to get to do it and wear the shirt.
Cool. Well, see you at the parade.
All right.
Got some Pride license plates. Queen Bee. It's great to see all the gays out. Okay, so we're at the pool. We got our own private cabana. Alright, as the sun sets, the Pride Parade's about to start. Alright, so here we are at the Austin Pride, just getting started. As you can tell, you know, the parade hasn't started yet, but we're about to hop in our float. I'm here with Crunch Fitness, that's the float that I'm in. Met some cool guys last night that work out there, and so, hey, we're gonna be on the float with them, going through Austin Parade. I'm excited, it's my first Pride, so let's see what's in store. As you can tell, the floats start way up there. There's all the people that are gonna be marching in the parade, all the way down. Further than you can see that way, further than you can see that way. Got over 150 floats in the parade, in the Pride Parade. So for Pride, I decided to wear, you know, some suspenders and jorts, but now we're with Crunch Fitness, we're gonna be putting this on. Have a little cutting table over here. Everyone's cutting up their shirts, making them look, you know, a little unique. Busting out the glitter. You want some? Yeah, I'll take some.
Go for it. Scoot your hand in. Go for it.
Oh, it's like wet. All right, we're all ready. We got our glitter. Got my red flag. We're gonna be marching in the back of our float with the red flag. As you can tell, this is a gay gym. Not really, it's just a gym. Anyone can go, but a lot of gay people go there. So it's called Crunch Fitness. Not a sponsor, but just saying. We're taking a photo right now, but I'm in the back, so no one can see me. Get on your tippy toes. I'm not that tall. Time to start. Oh my God! Check out this puppy. Damn, she's thirsty.
Yes, you are. Can we get more for the pupper? Can you pour more water for the dog?
You're the cutest. Oh, yes, they're so cute. All right, check this out. We got the UT cheerleaders right behind us. Hook 'em, right?
Hook 'em!
Yeah, there you go. Woo! With the horns. Now that is a good pride outfit. Good, great costume. So the parade's about to start, and I'm here with Eli. He's one of the owners, or the franchise owner of the Austin Crunch Fitness location.
Yeah.
You have anything to say about Crunch Fitness?
Yeah, so I've been in this town for a while, and it's just super exciting to be able. I've watched this parade since I was about 17, and it's really cool to actually be in it this year and be a part of the parade. But yeah, so I'm excited. It's a very open gym, so
very open gym. I heard. What do y'all do, like drag stuff there at the gym and stuff like that?
Not this one, but the original Crunch does a drag weightlifting class.
Really? That's so cool. Yeah, very open gym. So if you're gay and you want a gym to go to, or not gay, just open gym. And we're gonna Crunch. I love that. Lats, glutes, biceps, traps, quads, LGBTQ.
This is one of our allies.
That's one of your allies.
Yeah.
Nice. That's awesome.
This is his daughter.
Oh, she's so cute. What a hat. Check out that hat, dude. I can't believe the parade still hasn't started yet. It's been like an hour we've been sitting here. So we started at 8 and it's almost 9 o'clock now. We're still sitting here, but hey, I'm sure it's gonna start soon. What is this? Like, what's the...
Pimped out unicorn.
A pimped out unicorn? Oh, I love it. And an eagle. United we stand. I love it. Before it starts, here we go. Got Capital Metro, the bus system here. Can't really read that little thing, but it says turn up the pride. What's this? I don't even know what that is.
Sober. Recovery on love.
I party sober. We're not partying sober. Oh, I'm sober right now.
Not after.
Yeah, I'm not going to be sober for a while.
We're going to go to the bars, but don't tell anybody.
100%. Oh, by the way, this is Dustin.
Hi, guys.
Yeah. All right, we're finally taking off. And Gay Pride here in Austin, 2019.
Yeah.
What's up?
What's up?
What's up? All right, as we're taking off, we're passing all this fun. There's no way you can hear me. There's no way. It's way too loud. But if you can, we're passing all these cool tents up. Hey, check it out right here. We got a church crew. Not all Christians hate homos, right? Yeah. All right. I think these probably has the coolest float I've seen so far. Yeah, here we go.
Happy Saturday night, y'all.
Check this out. This is crazy. It's so great to see so many people so supportive of Pride, so supportive of the LGBTQ. It's awesome to see. Hey,
Happy
Tony,
Pride,
baby,
baby,
let's go. Hey.
ATX. Live a little. Woo!
Not London, that's how we're from. East and Holland, if you go home.
All right, there's the Capitol over there. We're about to pass the Capitol. Wait, give me a second. There we go. There's the Capitol. Oh, shit. Get it down. Hey, right there. That's the owner of Crunch, owner of the gym. Oh, my God. He's crushing it. Oh. If you want anyone to be your personal fitness instructor, right there, my man Eli. What a fun guy, Again, not a sponsored video, but I would totally go there. These guys are so much fun. Let's go, Eli. Oh. Dude, I could make a whole vlog just about Eli over here. Oh. Hey. Also, if you haven't seen this yet, we're marching down Congress. This is a great view of the Capitol. Right over there. Alright, so I met a friend who also is part of Crunch Fitness, Sebastian, and he's not gay, he's an ally. But hey, check out those gauges. I love those gauges. I've thought about getting gauges. It's probably old, but I like them. Check out this Austin skyline, so amazing. Oh my God, oh my God, Indeed is all rainbow. You can't really see it, but that building right there is all lit up rainbow. Oh, yeah. Oh, there we go. Something I want to say, I've been so overwhelmed by the amount of support here. It is so crazy how much support here. I hope you can hear me. I don't know if you can. It's really loud here, but I've been so overwhelmed by the support here. It's like incredible to see. I mean, we've been walking for over a mile, and we have lots of people supporting the LGBTQ. It's so great. It's like, check this out. Oh my God, this is still so overwhelming. There are so many people here. This is crazy. Like, this is my first Pride, but I can't believe how many people are here. Like, it blows my mind. Just look at this. We are making the final corner. There's like 4 blocks left in the parade. Oh my God, it's my favorite puppy. Dude, that is the star of our parade. I love that dog. Whose dog is that? It's his dog. Hey. Oh, Deep Betty's vodka. Hey, Ruby Red. Ruby Red's the best Deep Betty's vodka. Okay, what's your favorite Deep Betty's vodka? Deep Betty's vodka. Pete. This entire vlog is pretty like an advertisement for company. Hey, they all support Pride. Oh my god, this guy's wearing the same tank top I was tonight. Yeah! Woo! Hey, where'd you get that at?
Ross.
Ross? Oh, I got mine at JCPenney's. But hey, it's a great tank top, right? It's amazing. Have a good night. If you didn't know, I was wearing that tank top in the beginning of this vlog. You know, go to the beginning, I was wearing that pink tank top. So we turned the corner, and now we have a better look at the D&D building. Check that out. All rainbow. Pump day. Pump day. Oh! Pump day. All right, we're almost at the end of the parade. I know I've said that a couple times, but we're actually almost there. So once this parade ends, you know, we're trying to go out to the bars tonight. Right here. These are all the bars. Like, how can you even get through all those people to get to the bars? Like, bar. No way you can get into there. And there they are. They're announcing all the parade. Here we are. Oh, the grand finale. The grand finale. Hey, grand finale. Hey. God, this is it. This is the end. This is the end. Let's go. This is crazy. All right. This has been such a great experience. Hey, high five. All right, so that's it for the Pride Parade. But hey, we're about to go to the bars, the gay bars, and oh my God, I cannot imagine what it's gonna be like. I've never been to the gay bars after a Pride weekend, so I don't know. Hopefully it'll be fun. Let's see. It's over there, and it comes back and it goes all the way. Like, this is like 1 hour wait. All the way. I've never seen a line so long. The line goes all the way around here. How long do you think that line is for a pilot?
Oh, like an hour and a half.
So glad we're leaving right now and not going back. Alright guys, so I'm just finishing up editing that video and I realized that I didn't really include an outro, so I'll just consider this the outro. But I just want to say thank you all so much for watching and supporting Gay Week. I really wanted to make a 7th video. It was going to be titled like Infiltrating the Anti-Gay Group or something like that, but it turns out it's a lot harder to infiltrate one of those groups, get in contact with them than I thought it would be. So maybe in the next month or so I'll get that video out, but for now this is going to be the last video of Gay Week, only 6. But yeah, so I'll be linking all the videos from Gay Week in the description below so you can check them out if you haven't seen them all yet. And yeah, happy Pride. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace.